New York City on a steamy Saturday night, laying in my bed in a welfare hotel room. Sirens blaring, sounds like another fight. Just people wishing that the fever would break real soon. The moon is shining bright, so clear and also white, kinda close to what the good Lord intended. But it's hard for this white girl to call herself getting some sleep. So I close my eyes and remember the nights when my mama would say to me, my mama said, a lot of shit go down in my starting years. I tried to save some, left the world choking back the tears. My friends were many, but then again, my friends were few. I guess it all comes down to a person's point of view. I've seen my money down, guess we never really was that closely related. And when it seems that the touch of a good man is nowhere to be found, I remember Mama's words on those lonely nights when my love was coming down. But my mama would say, lay your head on Mama, sugar child. Lay your head and my dreams don't fall by the wayside. 'Cause when you're knocked on your ass so many times, when you get back up you tend to lose a few by and by. 12 castles in England, maybe France. Pictured myself living in them since I was a little girl. But tonight New York is burning and it's still Let the good Lord kiss your blues out to sea. And let the good Lord kiss your